Thank
you
you so much.
I'll be here for the car.
All right, gotcha. So this is the 11 Pro Max.
Yes.
I'm gonna do the back camera lens and the screen replacement for
Yes.
you. It's gonna take me like 20 minutes.
That's fine.
Thank you so much. I'll see you soon, all right?
Thank you.
Thank
I'll
you.
be out here if anything.
You got it. Is it okay if I come in?
Yeah.
So your phone is ready. It's working.
Okay, thank you.
You probably have to wait this 3 hours though.
That's fine. That's fine.
And then your back camera lens.
Oh, looks good.
Yep. Looks brand new.
All right, thank
There
you.
you go. That's a nice bike. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much.
I really appreciate it.
Thank
Enjoy the rest of your day. Let me know if
You
you have
too.
any issues, okay?
All right,
Take care.
Thank you.
Have a great day.